Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to deploy your Google AI Studio app for free. First, open the Google AI Studio website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your Google account so you can access your apps. From the left-hand menu, click on Build and then click on Your Apps from the menu on the left side. These will show all the apps you have created. Now select the app you want to deploy. For example, click on Flash UI. Once the app page opens, click on the Deploy App icon located at the top right corner of the screen. You will be deploying your app as a cloud-run service, which makes it accessible via a public URL. The app will use your API key internally, but the key will not be exposed in the deployed app. Next, you need to select a cloud project. Click on Create Project to make a new project. Then, enter a name for your project and click Create Project. After creating the project, select it from the list. You may click Refresh to make sure the project appears in the list. Once selected, click on the project and it will open in a new tab. You can also browse or select other projects if needed. Here, you will see the project number, project ID, and other project details. Next, go back to the deployment page and click on Setup Billing. Select your country, then click Agree and Continue. You will need to enter your contact information and payment method. This step is required by Google Cloud even if you deploy apps with the free tier, as the free quota still needs a billing account linked. Once billing is set up, you can continue with the deployment and your app will be live on Google Cloud, accessible through a public URL. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.